Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share my first look at a brand new AI tool from Google called Google Stitch. It's still in beta, and the best part, it's completely free to use right now. Stitch is an AI-powered UI design assistant that can literally generate entire app interfaces just by typing a simple prompt. So let's dive in and see what it's capable of. Once I logged into Stitch, I started with a super simple prompt: create a food ordering app. Then I clicked on the Generate Designs button to see the magic happen. After a short wait, Stitch suggested a set of screens it thought my app would need. And honestly, the suggestions were pretty solid. Things like home, menu, cart, and so on. Now, Stitch lets you chat with the AI and fine-tune your screen requirements. But since this is just a first impression, I simply hit yes to move ahead with the default suggestions. Once I confirmed, it started generating the screens. This part took around 1 to 2 minutes, which is quite reasonable considering what it's doing behind the scenes. And then, boom, the entire UI for my food ordering app was ready. Honestly, it looked better than I expected for a first try. I got 6 screens: home, search, restaurant menu, dish details, shopping cart, and payment. But here's something I noticed right away. The footer design was inconsistent in the first 3 screens. Each footer looks slightly different, which is definitely something you wouldn't want in a production-level UI. Next, I tried editing the theme. You can switch between light and dark mode, change the primary color, the corner radius of the buttons, and choose a font. However, there's a catch. Font previews aren't available, so unless you already know the font name, you'll have to either guess or Google it manually to see what it looks like. That's a bit of a downside. After picking a theme and color, I hit apply. Again, it takes some time, but the changes looked pretty good once they were done. Another big issue: there's no undo option to revert to your previous version if you don't like the new theme. That would definitely be helpful, especially while experimenting. Then I clicked the edit option on the home screen and told Stitch, need to show a banner ad on the top of the screen. It started editing the screen and added the banner exactly how I wanted. That was pretty cool. But that edit caused another issue. My selected primary color was reset to white. The color I had chosen earlier just disappeared, so I had to select it again and apply the theme once more. Once I was happy with the design, I clicked the Copy to Figma button. Then I opened my Figma workspace and simply pressed Ctrl+V to paste the design. It worked perfectly. The design was fully responsive, and all elements were properly grouped and organized into layers. This made it super easy to tweak text, replace images, adjust colors, and basically polish everything manually. Back in Stitch, there's also a code option where you can get the full HTML of your UI. Just copy and paste, super handy for developers who want to go from design to code quickly. So, here's my quick summary of Google Stitch after my first hands-on. The good, fast, and easy UI generation. Decent screen suggestions. Fully responsive and editable in Figma, HTML code export for developers, theme customization options. The not-so-good, inconsistent design elements, no font previews, no undo option, theme resets after edits. Now, is this the end of UI designers? Absolutely not. But tools like this are evolving fast. In a year, Google Stitch could be even more powerful. Maybe even scary good. So what do you think? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Would you use AI to generate your UI designs? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.